Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin' here. I have got individual items from 888 Lots. Not real happy about the condition of this box. Totally crushed in about 2 to 3 inches. Hoping nothing in here was actual breakable, because that would be a lot of lost money. So we're going to open up these boxes, find out what we see inside, and you can find each and every item at hookedonpickin.com. Stay tuned to the very end. We always price everything, so by the end of this video, you know exactly how much it's going to cost on hookedonpickin.com. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so last time I had a crushed box, I saved it to the end to make sure I wouldn't cry. Well, it's in the middle, so we're going to do it in the middle. This is all primarily Amazon overstock. So it's a lot of stuff that Amazon had too much of it, or maybe just went out of season, or the pricing changed and so the person pulled it. But this is all overstock, which means it never really went to a customer. It came basically straight from the Amazon shelves back to a liquidator. So we got good padding there. Ooh, I love already what I'm seeing. So we have got some Woodland Friends sewing kit.
That's
so
cool.
Far away in a distant land before computer and video games, television, smartphones, and apps, there really was a fun activity called hand sewing. Discover the joy of handcrafts as you make these cute woodland animals with your friends. Give them as gifts with your friends. Sit them on your pillow, and they may tell you stories as they fall asleep.
What?
Paul's a little bit creeped out by that last statement. So
if these
it says,
start talking to you, you've got other problems.
So it says it's got really easy to follow instructions. All 5 felt animals come pre-cut inside this box. Comes with the needles and all the stuff that's needed. So really cool, nifty kit. Ages 7+, which means even I can sew it. So got a couple of those. Those are really neat. All right, then we have, these are awesome. Holds extreme cold and extreme hot temperatures, insulated stainless steel. I don't know if you guys remember the big craze with hydro flasks, but that's basically, these are like generic hydro flasks. The cool thing is I'm pretty sure.
England cold. It looks cool.
I'm pretty sure we have these lids for sale.
Yeah, they're similar. On
Hooked on Pickin'. But yeah, these are really cool. So really nice penguin cold ones. All right, then we have, more of these. Were we sold out of these almost?
Yeah, they're gone.
These were sold out, and so we've got more on the store now. These are vacuum facial pore cleaners. We sold some down at our retail space, and then we sold the majority of them, though, online. So we've got 1, 2, 3 of those. Love this. What is this? A mystery dinner party? Murder mystery party.
That looks cool.
Pasta, passion, and pistols. That's amazing. Solve a murder in an evening with friends. I feel like we need to play this with our church friends. We need to murder each other. So it says party planner with recipes, 8 party invitations and envelopes, a police report, character booklets for all suspects, 8 name tags, 8 secret clues, and it has access to optional audio clips. That's cool.
That would be cool.
That looks amazing. I want to play it right now. All right, then we have these purple. We have the purple sports bottles. That's which one we have. So we have a few of these for sale on hookedonpickin.com, but not very many. They're selling pretty quick. So the purple ones, we got, looks like 3 of them.
I didn't think we had any more of those. But
Did we sell out of them already? I'll look. All right, then we have, these are like curtain panels. Yes, red curtain panel, grommet curtain panels, silver grommet ones. I think we bought these before and they sold really fast. They kind of almost look like a red satin, almost. A little kind of shiny. Nice curtain panels. I will give you, when we price them, I'll give you the length and everything. So I'll be able to look up the length of them. Most people want to know, are they 63 inches, 82 inches, all that fun stuff. All right, this says, I'm going to open this one up. K-Skin, beautiful, what is this? Hair straightener with a brush on it. kind of cool. So all of our beauty products like this, like our hairbrush dryers and all that stuff, usually sells lickety split. We might have one hairbrush still left on hookedonpickin.com. Can't quite remember. All right, what is in here? Oh, these sell so fast. Okay, these are the bamboo bedside shelf tables. Do we have one? I think no, we sell them immediately as soon as you see them unboxed. So I would always check hookedonpickin.com because occasionally they go up for sale or we get them in stock before the video even goes live. And so check these out, but these are really great. They hook right onto your bedside table or the end of a couch or something, but they're fantastic. Bamboo bedside tables. If you want to see a picture of what the coloration is and what, how light the wood is and stuff like that, check out hookedonpickin.com. It'll be there. All right, then we have, what is this? 11-quart round double soup barrel.
See the picture there?
Oh, yeah.
Can you see
this one right here?
Yeah.
It's a soup barrel. So it's got like the Bunsen burner on the bottom and the rack, and then you put the big pot in the middle, and you can make soup outside, or you can...
Yeah, I thought it was a catering thing at one time. I don't know if it's catering or camping.
Yeah. So that's cool. We'll show you a good picture of it. You can check it out on hookedonpickin.com. All right. We're moving on to the broken one. Will I be weeping in the middle of this video, or will I be happy? Last time I was surprisingly happy because they padded whatever it was very well. That was next to the crush part. I think they put didn't they put blankets or something next to it? Something real soft. Pillows or blankets. All right. It's the nature of shipping. You always worry. Okay.
It's just not a full box.
Yeah. Hopefully that's helpful.
A lot of bubble wrap.
A lot of bubble wrap. So they definitely tried. Okay, what are these things? Looks like this is the only thing that's in the box. Oh my goodness, whatever it is very, very heavy. Does it say anything on it?
Picture it all
on... It just says 2-pack. That's all it says on it. Okay. I feel like it's the mystery box upon mystery box. Okay, I can't get these out. Hold on. I'm so short I can't reach. All right. Oh, wow, they're taller than I thought. All right, what are these? There's a cord with some sort of a maybe light bulb fixture. Oh, I know what this is. It's a Himalayan salt lamp.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, that's why it's so heavy. So you put the bulb, they actually put the bulb in here for shipping, which is genius. So this part connects to the bottom and the whole thing lights up and it's got kind of an orangey pinkish glow. So yeah, so these are all Himalayan salt lamps and each box has 2 in it. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8 of the Himalayan salt lamps and they're packaged extremely well. And so I will definitely be bubble wrapping the snot out of these I'll leave them in these boxes and then I'll also bubble wrap and pad around them. So really, really awesome to have those available. I'm not going to put it all the way away because I want to leave it out for pricing at the end. So this whole box had Himalayan salt lamps, which are very, very heavy. I'm going to actually put this on the floor. There we go. And then last box. This box says it's 49 pounds. So we're going to see all what's in it. So I did not cry at the crushed one because that was in good condition and that was the one closest to the crushed corner. So my guess is they're all still in good condition, but I'll definitely inspect before I list them online. So, all right, more padding. Just gonna put all these padding in this other box. So it looks like, are these Himalayan salt ones? They look similar in size. 2-pack. Yeah, these are the same thing. So these are Himalayan salt lamps. Is this one? Yep, this one's a Himalayan salt lamp. What about this one? Yep, Himalayan salt lamp. We got lots of Himalayan salt lamps. Those things are so cool, though. I don't know if you've ever had one, but they give this nice amber glow. Oh, I'm so glad we have more of these. Just 1 cup of coffee. It's a gigantic coffee cup, and both of them are I've cut back to just 1 cup of coffee a day. Last time we got 2 different styles. This one is just the same style. But to give you a reference of how big these actually are, these are fantastic. I actually set mine that I set next to my coffee maker, and I put all my K-cups in it. So it sits next to my Keurig, and then I put all my K-cups
awesome?
Inside. Yeah, it is pretty amazing.
I think that's awesome.
It is very awesome. So, yep, so we've got 2 more of those to put on the store, and so those are a great Christmas gift idea. If you're not shopping for Christmas yet, I would suggest starting, because shipping last year was a nightmare, and it took literally 4 months to get anything, so you might want to start now. But we're going to go ahead and price everything. You'll find all these items on hookedonpickin.com. If we send them somewhere else, we'll let you know in this next segment. All right, we've got everything priced, but these were packaged in with the Himalayan salt lamps, and look, this one's busted.
Bummer.
So I will contact 888 Lots and see if I can get a refund on that, but they only refund what I paid for it, which is not near what I could have made for it. So that's kind of a bummer. So that one's out. So we do have 1 more in stock of the coffee cups. $14.99 is what you'll find them on Hooked on Pickin' for. And so that one is available for the giant cup of coffee. So we do have one that's in perfect condition. Then $39.99, this is the picture. So I wanted to pull up a picture so you could see the 11-quart round double soup barrel. Comes with a little heater element holder in the bottom for the Bunsen burner kind of thing. But it's called a Schaefer, Chafer. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing that right. But anyway, $39.99 for that. They're going for around $60 on Amazon, so that's a good deal. I think I'm going to have more in stock coming in an order, but maybe not. So you might want to snatch this one up. All right, then we have the bamboo side tables right there for $19.99. We got 2 more available there. This is a really huge water bottle, $9.99. The purple water bottle there that is for sale. And then we have the murder mystery game, $14.99 for our fun murder mystery game. It says it plays 8 players. That seems super awesome. Then we have the vacuum facial pore cleaner for $14.99 and the K-Skin hairbrush hair straightener for $19.99. So that's kind of an all-in-one there, that K-Skin hair product there. Then we have the Himalayan salt lamps. We're actually going to sell them in a 2-pack. They actually came in boxes of a 2-pack. So you're going to get a box like this size with 2 Himalayan salt lamps, and we're going to sell both of them to you for $12.99, which is dirt cheap. But we got them at a good price, so we want to pass that along to you. So $12.99 for the Himalayan salt lamps. Then we have, these are 40-ounce Penguin insulated stainless steel bottles, and those are going to be $12.99 a piece for the 40-ounce ones, so they're a little bit larger than a typical water bottle. And then we have these. We have 2 sets of these. They're 52 inches by 84 inches. They have the silver grommets. Each panel has 8 grommets on it, and each pack has 2 panels in it. So it's a full set of two panels, and we have 2 sets of them. So 4 total panels. So if you have a big long window, you can buy both. $14.99 for both of the panels. So 52 by 84, you get 2 panels for $14.99. Then last but not least is my favorite thing, the Woodland Friends sewing kit, $14.99 for all of those, and you get all 5 of the little Woodland Friends you see there in the picture. So you can find everything at hookedonpickin.com. Thanks so much for joining us for this unboxing, and hopefully you guys had fun. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Make sure you join the Hooked on Pickin' fan club being a subscriber. We have got some garden fountains on our store. They're going to be here for a limited time only. We've discounted them majorly, so go ahead and check out hookedonpickin.com. Just type in the word fountain and you'll see all the different varieties we have. We have ones that are rather large that can sit outside, and we also have ones that are small that would be perfect for a nightstand, just for some nice soothing water noise inside. So check out all of our fountains that we have on hookedonpickin.com. They've recently been discounted.